Yes, Ammerman, and currently we're in Antwerp, a city in the Flemish part of Belgium, where that is the linker franca. Also, Antwerp is known as the diamond capital of the world. And just to my right there, we have the zoo, which is one of the most famous zoos in Belgium and here in Europe in general. However, for that video, you'll have to watch my other videos in order to see when I upload, because for today, it's just a vlog of the city. Let's go. We're currently at Grootmarkt, which is the center of the city, and unfortunately there seems to be some sort of renovation or concert that's going to happen where this area here is considered blocked up, and there's also a wedding, hence we cannot see too much. However, this plot of land here was donated to the city by Duke Henry I of Brabant in the year 1220. Here you see that we have this statue here, which is the statue of Brabant, which is one of the eye catchers of the center here at the Grootmarkt. And then to our left there we have the Stadius, which is otherwise known as the Town Hall. So in general, this Stadius here boasts a sort of Renaissance architectural style, which in my opinion is pretty impressive. But unfortunately, we might not be able to see much because it seems that there's something happening here and I have no idea what that is. Anyways, let's continue our tour. Right now we are going to Hetstein, which is a must-see, a hotspot if you plan to visit Antwerp. Already you can hear some music because there's definitely something happening here. At the Old Castle you find a lot of things which define the history of Antwerp, a cruise terminal, tourist spots, tourist hubs, among many other things. Let's go. Here we have the Maas Museum and the Stroom, which you may use to explore the history of Antwerp. And currently the Maas is located on the one of the oldest docks in Antwerp, which is the Eilandje. And unfortunately it was not free, so I didn't enter. But I bet it's pretty good. I'm sure it's an amazing museum. If you guys would like, then you could come here and see for yourself. That was super bizarre. I wasn't allowed to record because in that district, the red district or the red zone, you're not allowed to record because there are night ladies there, women of the night. And here we have the Onze Lieve Vroeg Cathedral, which took 169 years to be built, and it's of Gothic design and has a height of 123 meters. Unfortunately, we will not enter because you have to pay, and I have no idea why I should pay to go into a church. Alright, so that ends my trip here at Antwerp. It was really interesting, however, unfortunately, I don't think I did it justice because I didn't see a lot. Plus, there was the Diamond Museum, which was closed, or actually it was relocated. And again, there were so many things I didn't get to see, also because I didn't pay. And I must say one more thing, I really enjoyed being here because I really see the city as being multilingual, where I just hear different people speaking different languages, and what's even more impressive is hearing people code switch from one language to the next. It's simply a polyglot dream come true. And finally, we're here at the zoo, which is one of the biggest here in Europe, one of the most well known. And so we'll be seeing what this zoo has to offer. So if you want to see what this zoo is like, then you have to watch the video for next week. So see you then.